Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see device inventory in Microsoft Defender Vulnerability Management. I'll just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I'm logged on to the portal. So if you would, now that we have enabled the vulnerability management, you would see inventories. All these features you will see here was not there until I enabled the Defender for Vulnerability Management trial add-on. Okay, if you'll see the dashboard now, you'll see more features that you were seeing before enabling the trial add-on. So the device inventory would show a list of the devices in your network where alerts were generated. By default, the queue displays device seen in the last 30 days. At a glance, you see information such as domain, risk level, OS platform, and other details for easy identifications of devices most at risk. Now, when you click on assets under devices, you will see device inventory, right? You would see all devices. Now they are segregated with computers and mobile, network devices, or any IoT devices, and then uncategorized devices as well. Now, during the onboarding process, the device list is gradually populated with devices as they begin to report sensor data. You can use this view or devices view to track your onboarded endpoints as they come online. Now, if you export the device list, it contains every device in your organization. It might take a significant amount of time to download depending on how large your organization is. Alright, and you can sort the device list and filter the device list from here. You can choose the category, you can choose the device type, you can choose the device subtype as well, and you can do it on the basis of risk level, exposure level, cloud platforms, migration status, and the OS and the OS version. Again, we are under the all devices list. And you see this option, classify critical assets. It allows you to define device groups as business critical. You might also see the attack path warning card, which takes you to the attack paths to examine if any of your assets are part of an attack path. So if I click on classify critical assets, here they are. You want to read more about the attack path, you should read the Microsoft documentation. It comes under Microsoft Security Exposure Management, but it gives a brief understanding of what is attack path and how it is affecting your tenant. Alright, if I go back and if you see here onboarding status. Okay, now if there are some devices that are not onboarded, it will come under as well. Okay, and from the network devices and IoT devices tabs, you also see information such as vendor, model, and device type. And if you come under the all devices, you can search the device type by name. You can search for a device by the most recently used IP or MAC address, and then you can add or remove columns. You can export the entire list in the CSV format. You can select the date range. You can apply filters as well. And you sometimes use filters to customize the device inventory views, right? You can set it by property, that what is the antivirus status, what cloud platforms are available, what is the criticality level, what is the device category, what is device subtype, so on and so forth, right? And this is how the device inventory overview is. I hope this video was informative for all of you. If you have any further feedback, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.